Did I keep it down?
No.
Say hi, Preston. Say hi, everybody. I have the hiccups. Aww.
What happens when you eat too fast, man?
Don't try
What
to.
happens? Ugh. You want to suck on something? No. Okay, we're just gonna hiccup for a while. Okay.
Look at this one.
You put oil in it? I forget. Oil? No. Butter. Butter? How much? Like half a cup of butter. That's it? I can't believe it's not butter, like. But, oh my gosh, it's so moist. God, it's good.
Okay. It's probably long enough.